Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to science class. Students, we are going to start next chapter, chapter 12, Light and Shadows. In today's session, we will discuss about sources of light, light and different types of objects, and shadows. Students, what is light? Light is a form of energy that produces the sensation of sight in our eyes. The sun is the major natural source of light that emits light of its own. Stars are also known to emit light of their own. Sources of light like the sun or the stars which emit light of their own are called natural sources. Humans have also been able to design and develop a number of sources of light. Light sources like LED, electric bulbs, tube lights, CFL, and candles are the man-made or artificial sources of light. These sources help us to see objects or phenomena inside rooms or at night when there is insufficient or no sunlight. Students, let us understand transparent objects, opaque objects, and translucent objects. Materials or objects like the glass sheet, water, and some form of plastic that allow light to pass through them almost completely are known as transparent objects. Materials or objects like the cardboard piece, wood, and metal that do not allow light to pass through them almost at all are known as opaque objects. Materials or objects like butter paper, tissue paper, and oil that allow light to pass through them partially are known as translucent objects. Students, let us try to understand the formation of shadows. We know that light cannot pass through opaque objects. Hence, when such objects come in the path of a beam of light, they make a dark region on a screen kept behind them. It is these dark regions or patches that we call as shadows. Students, for shadow formation, we require three essential things. First, a source of light. Second, an opaque object. And third, the screen that may be ground or wall to obtain the shadow. Shine a torch over a piece of cardboard or wood. Its shadow can be seen on the opposite wall or on the ground. The phenomenon of formation of shadow tells us that light ordinarily propagates or travels in straight lines. Shadows are formed because light moves along a straight line path and is not able to bend its path around large obstacles. Characteristics of the shadow. The size of the shadow of a given object depends upon the relative position of the source of light and the opaque object that is acting as an obstacle. Shadow of an opaque object is always black irrespective of its colors. Students, that's it for today. In the next session, we will learn about solar eclipse, lunar eclipse, and pinhole camera. Till then, take care. Bye bye.